the mean of the following probability distribution of the random variable x, it is given, where you can see the unknown values are a and b, right? And then what it is given? The mean is given as 46/9. You're asked to calculate the variance. The variance was not there in CBSE, right? So, but mean you know. What do you mean by mean? The formula for the mean is summation of p into x, right? So variance will be equals to summation of p into x square minus the mean whole square. That's it. Okay. So you just have to find out first you find out the value of a and b. So in order to get the value of a and b, this is probability distribution. In probability distribution, you know the first property. What is that? When it is called as probability distribution. When the sum of all the p's are equal to
0.
1.
1.
Probability distribution. So what is the sum over here? 3, 4a plus how much? 5, 6b is equals to 1. So this is the first equation. Then for the mean how will you find out the mean? P into x. So p into x will give you 0 plus 4a plus 4a plus 4b plus 12b plus 24b is equals to how much it is given? 46/9. So over here that means it is equals to 8a plus 36, 40b is equals to 46/9. I hope you can solve this one and find out the value of a and b. Solve it and get the value of a and b. I'll pause meanwhile. Okay. So anybody who got the answer for a and b?
B is 1/9.
Okay, correct. What about a?
3/36.
That means 3/36 means 1/12, right? Yes.
1/12.
Correct. So your variance is actually sum of px square. So what is sum of px square? So p into x square. So this into square of this one, right? So that means it will be 4 into 2a plus 16 into a plus b plus 36 into 2b, and then last one 64 into 3b, right? So this is 3b. This is just summation of px square, and you have to subtract what? The mean square. So what was the mean? 46/9 whole square. So you calculate this one and let me know what you are getting the overall value. So tell me, anybody who got the value?
24a plus 280b.
The simplified value is 24a plus 280b. Yeah, 280b. Yes. And then you have that minus 46/9 whole square. So now put the value of a and b and then calculate this one. So what is the answer you got?
It's B, 566/81.
Yeah, correct. 566/81 after substituting the value of a and b. Okay, alright, we will move on to the next question now. Okay.